So in this tutorial, we'll be learning a method called equalsIgnoreCase of a string class. So let's see how it works. String str is equal to Java. Okay, and string, another string variable, give it another name, 2. Say Python. So first of all, let's see what equals method. I have actually created a video on equals method, and it's equals ignore case is related to equals, but in what sense we'll see. First, let's see if we remember what equals, and so for that str equals, right, str2. Okay, so for printing it out, we will write a printing statement, and let's run it first and see. Guys, this should return a false value, okay, because Java and Python we are comparing str and str2. So str and str2, so Java and Python we are comparing it. Equals method, what it does is check the content, compares the content. Okay, so Java and Python are different, okay, different content. So it has to give me, since it returns boolean value, see, it returns boolean value, so either it gives true or false, so it must give me false. Okay, false. Let me, yeah. Now for better understanding, let's write Java here again. What should be the answer? It should be true, right? True. Okay, now what we are going to do is just make this first alphabet capital. So I have made the string2 variable value first letter uppercase. Okay, now let's see equals method. What it does, it just compares the content, right? So we will see both are Java. See, only difference is the first letter is in uppercase and here it's in lowercase. False, as expected, because these two strings are not equal. Why? Because the letters, the uppercase letter and lowercase, they too also impact, because these two strings are not exactly equal. Here it is in uppercase J and here it is in lowercase. Now see equals ignore case method, what it does. Now see equals method gives false in this case. Now we will run equals ignore case. Okay, and now just save it and run it. True, right? What it does, the word itself, it's all one word, equals ignore case, means it is checking if the two strings are equal or not when the cases are ignored. Okay, so these cases are ignored. So in that case, if the cases are ignored, doesn't matter if it's an uppercase or lowercase, it will just check the content. Okay, so equals ignore case has an advantage that it will uh, uh, compare two strings irrespective of the cases. Now many a times what happens is that in your when you open your Gmail, you caps lock is on by accident and you type the whole email address of yours in capital, but it works, you know. But it works. Why? Because this method, or whatever language that Gmail uses, this method must have been written there, or method like this, where the cases are ignored. Uppercase or lowercase doesn't really matter. But in case of password, we can't use this method because cases matter there. Okay, so in case of your email address only, this won't the uppercase or lowercase won't matter, so cases won't matter. So yeah, so I hope this gives you an understanding of equals ignore case, and in the next video I'll be explaining you what equals method, what is the difference between equals and this, like this is an operator, okay, and equals, the equals that we saw, and this operator, okay, what it does, and what is the difference between equals and how object class and string class differ in the functioning of these two. So we will see that in the next class. Just comment it. Okay, so I'll end the video here, and thanks for watching.